SpaceX's huge Starship rocket, the most powerful ever built, blasted off on an unpiloted maiden flight Thursday and successfully flew for more than 2 minutes before tumbling out of control and exploding in a cloud of flaming debris. Starship just experienced what we call a rapid unscheduled disassembly, or a RUD, during ascent, said SpaceX engineer John Insprucker, serving as a launch commentator on the company's webcast. Now, this was a development test. This was the first test flight of Starship, and the goal is to gather the data and, as we said, clear the pad and get ready to go again. So you never know exactly what's going to happen, but as we promised, excitement is guaranteed. Starship gave us a rather spectacular end to what was truly an incredible test, tweeted SpaceX founder Elon Musk, who monitored launch from the SpaceX Control Center in Boca Chica, Texas. Congrats at SpaceX team on an exciting test launch of Starship. Learned a lot for next test launch in a few months. Thursday's launch was the second attempt after a countdown was scrubbed on Monday due to a frozen valve. The 33 methane-fueled Raptor engines powering the Super Heavy first stage roared to life at 9:30 a.m. EDT, 2 minutes later than planned due to minor technical snags. The engines quickly throttled up to 16 million pounds of thrust, twice the power of the current record holder, NASA's SLS moon rocket. However, 3 of the 33 engines had either shut down moments after liftoff or never ignited in the first place, and 3 more outer engines shut down over the next minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 55 seconds after liftoff, the rocket's exhaust plume suddenly changed, becoming distinctly asymmetrical, indicating a major malfunction of some sort. The rocket soon appeared to begin processing about its long axis like a toy top slowing down. The Starship Super Heavy vehicle successfully lifted off from the orbital launch pad for the first time at 8:33 a.m. CT. The vehicle experienced multiple engines out during the flight test, lost altitude, and began to tumble. The Federal Aviation Administration will oversee a mishap investigation, and a return to flight of the Starship Super Heavy vehicle will be based on the FAA determining that any system, process, or procedure related to the mishap does not affect public safety. What the mishap means for SpaceX and NASA. Musk downplayed expectations during a Twitter Spaces call with subscribers Sunday, saying the Starship is the biggest rocket ever made and has 33 engines on the booster and 6 engines on the upper stage. He also said the Starship is the key to the company's future, as SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket is only partially reusable, and its first stage has only carried out 186 successful landings. The Starship is designed to be fully reusable and can fly itself to touchdowns anywhere landing pads are available, as well as touchdowns on the Moon or Mars. SpaceX's first integrated test flight of the Super Heavy marked a major milestone for the California rocket builder. NASA is paying SpaceX billions to build a variant of the Starship upper stage to carry astronauts down to the lunar surface in the next 2 to 3 years. Billionaire Jared Isaacman and Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa have chartered private Starship flights to low Earth orbit. A third civilian Starship flight carrying 12 passengers, including space station veteran Dennis Tito and his wife, has also been booked. It is unknown what SpaceX might be charging for a privately chartered Starship flight.